Hi ZB peeps, welcome back to the channel. Today I found this in my archive of Zoya eating her first videotaped meal, and so I'm just going to be doing a voiceover of her what she's eating and with her. So right now she's eating a boiled egg, and Zoya is with me right now. Who is that, Zoya?
Zoya eating our egg.
Yes, Zoya is eating her egg.
Because you just give it to me.
Yes, I gave it to you.
Because you just don't want it.
Oh, you never wanted, so you threw it away?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So what are you doing now?
I'm just eating the part.
Oh, okay. You're eating the white part?
Yes.
Oh.
Then I'm just doing this.
Yeah, you see how you're kicking your foot. You're enjoying yourself, man.
Just kick my foot like that.
Yeah, I see you just kick your foot like that.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, Zoya's eating the egg, and right now we're just going to, yeah, I give you another piece. You see, and you're like, yes, mommy, thank you. You see that?
Yes. No.
Okay, let us cut for the intro right now. Okay, so yes, Zaya. So what are you doing now? I think you're reaching for more. What's that? More egg? Oh, I think the piece that dropped on the floor. Yeah, you're looking on the floor, right?
Yes.
So tell me what's going on here, because I need to understand what's going on here. Huh?
What's on the floor?
I think egg is on the floor.
It's on the floor? Does she in my eyeshadow?
Yes, it's in your eyeshadow, but it was on the floor too. Ooh, look at that. What do you have in your hand now?
I have egg.
No, what is that orange thing?
I have a sweet pepper.
That doesn't look like a sweet pepper. What is that? And you're eating it so good too. What is that, Zaya?
It's an egg.
No, that's not an egg. I don't even remember what it was. It looks like a piece of orange, maybe? You're tired, make you stop. What is that you're eating, Zaya? Look at it good.
This, I'm just eating some breakfast.
Yeah, but what is that though? Oh, yeah, deal with it so too. What is that you're eating, Zaya? I have no idea either. But it looks like you're enjoying it. It looks like either a piece of orange. I don't recall giving you orange. Anyway, you throw it again. You don't want it again. Okay, what is that?
Apple.
That look like apple?
Yes.
No, it's not apple. What is that?
It's a strawberry.
Excellent. Yeah, it's a strawberry. Ooh, you're enjoying that strawberry.
Yes. I eat strawberry picking.
Oh, you went to strawberry picking?
Yes, I went to strawberry picking.
Wow, that's great.
Yes, and then I like the strawberry picking. So I just pick it up.
Yeah.
So I just eat, and then I just don't want it.
Oh, you don't want it anymore.
So I just eat it.
But you look like you're eating it now. Ooh, you're calling me for something. I don't know what it is. What you're calling me for? Oh, you see, whoa, you're eating that strawberry good though?
Yes, I just eat strawberry picking today.
No, you never. Oh, you just smell mommy, but you said you never went strawberry picking today. You went strawberry picking before.
Yes, I just went strawberry picking.
Yeah. Ooh, you're excited for the food. Ooh, you wanted another strawberry.
Oh, that was strawberry.
Yeah.
Go and show Grandma the strawberry.
Let's go and show Grandma the strawberry after we finish narrating what is happening in the video, okay?
Okay.
So, Yeah, so does it look like you were enjoying the strawberry?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I enjoyed the strawberry picking.
It's not strawberry picking. So this is strawberry. So strawberry picking is what you do to get the strawberry, but what you get is the strawberry. So it's just the strawberry you're holding in your hand and you look like you like it.
Yes, it looks like the strawberry picking today.
Yeah. Look, you're coughing. Osh, osh, osh. Oh, look at that. What's happening there?
My mouth.
What happened to your mouth?
My mouth this one some dosa.
Oh, you want some juice?
What's the face?
Yes, your face is so cute, right? Your face is so cute. Look at you smiling. Huh? Look at you smiling. Oh, you're asking for something. I don't know what you're asking for. Look what you do with the strawberries, Zoya.
Huh?
Eh?
I'm just picking off the strawberry.
Yes.
And then I'm just eating it.
Yeah. Look like you're tired now, though.
Yes.
Tired for eat. So I took it out of your hand.
More strawberry?
Yeah, you just threw it around. You know all that. What is that? I think that is blueberry.
Blueberry?
Yeah.
More blueberry?
Yeah. It looks like blueberry, right?
Yes.
Mmm.
And I squandered the blueberry and then I split up blueberry.
Yeah. I probably shouldn't have zoomed up so much because now I don't really know if it's blue. But it looks like blueberry, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is blueberry. So I think because you were so young, I had to squish the blueberry so that it wouldn't choke you. Yeah, man, it's blueberry.
Blueberry?
Mm-hmm.
It is so cute.
Yeah, so I had to squish the blueberry a little bit.
Squish the blueberry?
Yeah, you just yawn. I say it again, my girl.
It's just tired today.
Yeah, you're tired today. Oh, I zoom back. Okay, that's good. But it looked like you enjoyed the blueberry though.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Okay.
I want more blueberry.
Okay, so I'm giving you more blueberry, obviously, in the video. Which color blouse is Zoya wearing? Huh? What's the color of your blouse?
I'm orange blouse.
Try again.
Orange blouse. That
No.
is my orange
Which
blouse.
color is this?
It's a orange.
That look like orange?
Yes.
Alright, name all the colors.
It's a little.
Yes, Anna.
And the red.
Yes, and
Green.
excellent. And what's the... Oh, look at that. What am I giving you?
I'm giving me a water.
Good job. And what is the color of the water? The water bottle.
It's my water bottle too.
Yes, but what is the color? What's this color? What's the color?
Color is purple.
Excellent. The color is?
Purple.
Excellent.
Where'd that come in?
I don't know. I don't know who come in. Look at the video and narrate. Yes, we can go about your business. Alright, so look like you don't want no more water though. Oh, you're drinking the water. What are you doing right there, Zoya?
This. No, sure.
Yeah. Oh, you just told me bye. Say bye, Zoya.
Bye.
So you are telling yourself bye. Alright, well, that's the end of it. Please subscribe and see you another time. Bye.